Boxer is pushing ahead with its store rollout plan and says it's on track to open 60 new stores by the end of the financial year. The retailer, which opened 25 new outlets during its interim period, has reported turnover growth of close to 14% and declared a first post-listing dividend of 45.3 cents per share. But its bottom line took a knock due to a larger share base after the listing, resulting in headline earnings per share declining over 30%. Looking ahead, Boxer says trading momentum has remained firm into the new period, with the crucial Black Friday and festive season expected to shape its full-year outcome. Calgro M3 has posted lower half-year profit, with headline earnings per share down nearly 18%. The Property and Memorial Parks Group says the decline reflects short-term pressure on revenue and profit after it reallocated capital to its Bankenveld District City project. Despite the softer earnings, Calgro maintained its gross profit margin at around 29% and increased its net asset value by more than 6%. The group says its asset base and liquidity remain strong as it implements its strategic pillars. Canal Plus's takeover of MultiChoice has edged towards the finishing line. That's after more than 92% of shareholders accepted its 125 Rand per share offer. Together with the stake it already owned, the deal lifts Canal Plus's holding to 94.39%. The company now plans to acquire the remaining shares and delist MultiChoice from the JSE. In line with commitments to South African regulators, Canal Plus will also pursue a secondary inward listing on the JSE. The move will allow local investors to retain access to the group while broadening its investor base and reinforcing its presence in Africa's media market. Aspen has secured regulatory approval for a new use of Mounjaro. The once-weekly treatment developed by Eli Lilly can now be prescribed for chronic weight management. And that's in addition to its existing use for type 2 diabetes. Aspen launched Mounjaro in South Africa late last year and says the new indication will make the drug available to more patients struggling with obesity. Aspen's shares rose over 1% following the news. The stocks closed the session at 3.4% in the green.